Welcome to Sam's Shop Zone. If you're new here, my name is Mr. Sam, and this is your go-to channel for insightful content on making money, tech tips, and strategies to help your YouTube channel grow. Before we dive into today's topic, I want to remind you to hit that subscribe button, like this video, share it with others, and don't forget to drop a comment below. Your engagement helps us keep creating valuable content for you. Watch until the end, because I'll be sharing some tips that you won't want to miss if you're serious about making money on YouTube. Monetization basics. Let's kick things off by covering the basics of YouTube monetization. To start earning money directly from YouTube, you need to meet two key requirements. 1,000 subscribers. 4,000 watch hours in the past 12 months. Once you hit these milestones, you can apply for the YouTube Partner Program, YPP, which allows you to start making money from ads. But remember, it takes time and consistency to build a following that will get you to those numbers. Stick with it, and the rewards will come. YouTube ads. Ads are one of the main ways creators earn money on YouTube. Once you're in the YouTube Partner Program, ads will automatically be placed on your videos. The longer and more engaging your videos, the more ad revenue you can generate. There are different types of ads: display ads, overlay ads, and skippable video ads. The amount you earn depends on factors like your audience's location, the niche of your content, and how much advertisers are willing to pay to reach your viewers. For example, viewers in the USA, UK, and Canada tend to bring in higher earnings. But ads alone aren't enough, which brings us to the next strategy. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a powerful way to supplement your income. This works by promoting products or services in your videos and including affiliate links in the description. When someone clicks your link and makes a purchase, you earn a commission. This strategy works best for review channels, tech, beauty, and lifestyle content. Just make sure the products you promote are relevant to your audience, and always disclose your affiliate partnerships to keep their trust intact. For sponsorships. As your channel grows, you'll start attracting sponsors, brands that pay you to promote their products or services. The great thing about sponsorships is that they often pay more than ads. The amount depends on the size and engagement of your audience. Even if you're just starting, you can approach smaller brands or businesses in your niche and offer to promote their products. Just make sure you only work with brands you genuinely believe in, as your audience can easily sense when a promotion feels forced. Channel memberships and super chats. For channels with dedicated fans, YouTube offers features like channel memberships and super chats. With memberships, your audience can pay a small monthly fee for exclusive content or perks like badges and emojis. Super chats allow viewers to pay to have their comments highlighted during live streams. These features help you build a closer connection with your most loyal fans while also bringing in some extra income. You don't need millions of subscribers, just a loyal community that's willing to support you. Selling merchandise. Another great way to monetize your channel is by selling merchandise. You can create branded products like t-shirts, mugs, or hoodies and sell them directly to your fans. Platforms like Teespring and Shopify make it easy to set up your online store, and YouTube even allows you to promote your merch under your videos. It's a fantastic way to expand your brand and make extra income at the same time. Crowdfunding. If you've built a strong connection with your audience, consider crowdfunding. Websites like Patreon allow you to receive financial support from your fans in exchange for exclusive content, behind-the-scenes access, or special shout-outs. It's a great way to involve your community in your creative journey and offer them something extra for supporting your work. Diversifying your income streams. One of the most important tips I can give you is to diversify your income streams. Relying on just one method, like ads, can be risky because YouTube income can fluctuate. By combining ads, affiliate marketing, sponsorships, and selling merch, you create a more stable financial foundation for your channel. Also, don't limit yourself to just YouTube, expand to other platforms like Instagram or TikTok, or even create your own website. The more places you're present, the more chances you have to grow your income. So, there you have it, a breakdown of how to make money on YouTube. Remember, it takes time, patience, and a lot of hard work. Focus on delivering value to your audience, and the money will follow. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and most importantly, subscribe to Sam Shop Zone for more tips and tricks on growing your YouTube channel and making money online. I'm Mr. Sam, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay tuned and keep creating.